Okay, what is up, tycoons? What up, traders? Super excited for today's video. We're looking at Webr. Okay, this is Webr Inc. And massive news came out causing a rally of up to 50% from the lows of yesterday, 482, up to the highs today. All right, we're going to go over that and whether there's upside potential or downside potential. We'll go ahead and cover that. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll be posting videos every single week on the top stocks and cryptocurrencies that are trending right now. All right, we'll go over here and we'll take a look. And so this is really what caused it. All right, Webr had a buyout. All right, from a majority stakeholder. Okay, BTD Capital is doing a takeover bid. Right, and so what happened is they offered to buy it for 625 a share. All right. So it was down at 428 here recently. It was a 24% premium compared to Weber's closing price last night. Now, one thing is that they note that this morning, okay, that it could even go higher where the stock was trading at the end of the summer. Wells Fargo, more positive on the stock, upgraded to equal weight from underweight on the heel of this news. So even though that the buyout is technically at 625 a share right now, it potentially could go higher and it could increase to a higher amount. But you have to think also, what if they back out of this deal right now? That's not a big likelihood, as already BTD Capital has a large position in it, and they're looking to basically just purchase all of the shares that they don't already own. So I wouldn't see them necessarily backing out, but that is also a possibility. That's always going to be a possibility. Something could happen, and they want to get rid of it, right? And not go through with the deal. But there's a reason that they're trading above 625, and that it went above 625 is, again, there's people saying that the bid could go even higher to where the stock was trading at the end of the summer, right? And so what does that mean at the end of the summer? Well, if we come in here and look at our daily chart, all right, we can see that right around here in the summertime, okay, this is the summertime over here. These months, this is August right here, all right, and then below this line, or to the left of this line, this is going to be the summertime. So there's a possibility that they could end up purchasing this thing for, I wouldn't say the highs of 12.25, but if we come over here to $9 or even $8, that's still a significant increase from where it's at right now. So that's basically it for today's video. I wanted to cover that. Webr is, on fire. It resulted in Cook also running up massively, right? Cook is another meme stock related to Webr. Okay, Webr and Cook have kind of taken over as some of the new meme stocks and short squeeze stocks. And we see that, Cook also was up very much, 13% on the day. Just because it's very related to Webr, right? They're both grill companies, right? We have Traeger right here. We have Webr grills. And so, you need to be mindful of these things, right? So that could be positive momentum for Cook. If the bid increases again, and let's say they put a bid out to purchase it at $8 or $9 a share, like we were discussing, that could be another catalyst for Cook as well. So keep that in mind. All right. Now, when it comes to Webr, I don't really see it dropping below 625, right? I mean, if the deal is at 625, anytime it goes below there, that's possibly an opportunity that investors are going to say, okay, well, this is a little bit of arbitrage opportunity I have, right? If it drops down to 590 to $6 a share, people still would be interested to be like, okay, well, the deal's at 625. If it drops down to 550, that's still a little bit of money that people can make, and what they would think is safe, right? Now, it may not be safe if the deal, falls through, but I wouldn't really expect Webr to be going under $6 anytime soon, because of this announcement. Right now, there is lots of negative catalysts that are happening in the stock market, such as earnings. Right, we just had Microsoft and Google tank on earnings. We might be having this earnings recession that analysts have been calling for, and that could spill into other stocks throughout the stock market, including Webr and Cook. So just have to be mindful of that. And that's it. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if you want a specific stock you want me to cover. All right, I do viewer requests every single week. So just let me know down below. I'll be happy to make a video on whatever stock you want as soon as I can.